Hey traders, over the last 30 days, we've seen some strong bullish momentum in the crypto market, with coins like Siren up 600% and River 160%, DEX 150%, Tau 110%, FET 60%, and Hype 50%. Even better, around 70% of the top 100 cryptocurrencies are showing signs of going green. To help you take advantage of these opportunities, we've just shared our top 12 trading signals. Each one includes clear entry points, stop-loss levels, and target prices, so you can trade with more confidence and better risk management. If you want to try before committing, we're offering a tester plan for just $10 per month, so you can check the accuracy and see real results for yourself. Getting started is easy. Just check the link in the description or comments below. Join our growing trading community, and let's learn, trade smarter, and grow together. Thanks for your support, and happy trading. Disclaimer: always do your own research. This is not financial advice.